Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today in this video we will talk about how much can you earn with LightGPT. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. LightGPT is an online platform that enables its members to earn online through a wide range of activities, such as surveys, app downloads and quizzes. In my review today I will be finding out what you need to know about the LightGPT platform, including how much you can earn, to help you decide if it's worth checking out for yourself. To help me do this, I will be uncovering what real users of the site are saying about it, and weighing up the pros and cons to help you make a more informed decision about whether you should join. First, however, let's get started by finding out a bit more about how LightGPT works. How does LightGPT work? LightGPT is a get paid to GPT website, which means you get paid to do different tasks. For example, you could get paid to click on ads or even for watching videos. You can also earn through a LightGPT contest or by referring new members. The site is actually related to a platform called Litecoin Ads, another online earning platform that rewards you with cryptocurrency. You can sign up to LightGPT for free from several countries around the world. The tasks on the site are offered in a variety of languages, including Portuguese, Russian, English, French and German. To register for your unique account, you'll need your email, a username and password. Ensure that you click in the verification link in the initial email that will be sent from LightGPT. Do not use a proxy or a VPN to sign up. Doing so can get you banned, and even if you manage to do initially, you could lose all of your earnings. This policy is in place to prevent members from signing up as their own referrals. Each member can only have one account on the site. LightGPT also has paid membership plans, but those plans will not be our focus in this video. This video will discuss how the site benefits members who have a free account. Every day you'll have at least 5 earning options offered to you, as a free member. However, sometimes there are as many as 8 different categories of activities that you can earn from. All of these tasks can be completed on a mobile device or your PC. You'll have to use the mobile web if you want to earn money by using your phone, because an app is not currently offered. How to earn cash with LightGPT. LightGPT members can log in, click menu and then click earn, to view all of the different earning options that they have available. The sum that you've earned will often be displayed on the screen after you've completed a task, and it will usually be automatically added to your balance. Offer walls, short links and videos are all presented as earning options on LightGPT. They also reward you for completing surveys, clicking on links and visiting websites. All of these activities have different rates of pay, so you won't receive the same rewards for watching videos as you would for doing a quick quiz. Paid to click, PTC, is one of the popular earning alternatives here because it's simple. You'll be required to click on an ad, and after viewing it, you will earn a reward. Each ad will open in a new tab and you'll have to complete a CAPTCHA to verify that you saw it. The offer wall has short tasks like answering a quiz, signing up for a site or playing games. Also, if you like to visit new sites, you can get paid to do that at LightGPT. LightGPT also offer a daily bonus to members. This is known as their faucet bonus, and you'll earn it for every 60 minutes that you spend on the site. If you spend 2 hours on the site, you'll get rewarded twice, in addition to whatever you earned by doing tasks during that time. The reward that you'll get as your faucet bonus is determined by chance. At the end of 60 minutes, you'll have to click the claim button. When you do that, a random number that matches a monetary sum will be selected. If you invite a friend to join the site and they sign up, you'll earn a bonus. You won't get the bonus as soon as they sign up, however. Referral bonuses are only paid for a new member who is active on the site. This means that they'll have to complete at least one task in order for you to receive your bonus. They can do any type of task that they prefer. You'll also earn, albeit a little less, whenever your referral invites a new member. How much can you earn with LightGPT? The tasks at LightGPT are comparable to some other GPT sites, low paid. Nonetheless, there are a number of earning opportunities available, so you shouldn't be short of any tasks to do when you visit the site. The faucet can be claimed every 60 minutes, and you can win anything between $0.0012 and $2. There is of course a much higher chance of winning the prizes at the lower end of the scale. But at least it's a free bonus for you whenever you visit the site. Offer wall payment ranges from 2 Satoshi to a high of 13 Satoshi, with the average sum earned for a task from the offer wall being approximately 5 Satoshi. By reading the Asia Mag, you get paid $0.008 for every session you spend browsing this site. You can do as many sessions each day as you wish. The Light GPT referral program is a bit disappointing as it pays you just $0.0050 for each individual who signs up through your link, and then becomes active by completing at least one task. You will therefore need to get a lot of active referrals if you want to earn much from this. How do you redeem your rewards at Light GPT? Your Light GPT payment will be made to you in cash. PayPal transfers are available around the world, once your balance is $2.50 or more. If you don't have or don't want to use a PayPal account, Perfect Money and Payeer are also offered. Light GPT will also send your rewards as Bitcoin transfers via FaucetPay. The withdrawal threshold is low and you can get your first payment when your balance reaches 50 cents. When you're ready to withdraw your earnings, click on Money, Transfer, after which you'll be taken to a new page. Select Main Balance and then, choose the type of transfer that you prefer. For example, if you would like Bitcoins, choose BTC Wallet. Is Light GPT a good way to make money online? If you have enough spare time, making a bit of extra cash from home or whenever you are free is possible with Light GPT. However, although Light GPT is a legit and easy way to make money online, it doesn't mean I think it is a good way to make money online. Unless a strategy for making money online has the potential to grow into something more substantial, then I can't consider it a good way to make money. I prefer to spend my time building something that is going to increase my earnings year on year, and something that motivates me to get out of bed every day. I used to spend my spare time on reward sites until I got very frustrated with how long it was taking me to earn just small cash rewards. That's why I now spend just 1 hour per day writing posts like this one on my website. My website provides me with a very good second income, and it's something I love doing. Light GPT reviews. Looking at the online reviews available, it appears that most Light GPT members are happy with their experience using the site. They report having been paid and some report having been paid a number of times. That's it for today. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. Thank you.